Let's face it, we Americans simply love to snack. Just take a look at the massive $157 billion snack food industry that's growing at 7% every single year. While tasty, all that mindless munching on junk foods has contributed to an alarming obesity epidemic in our country. A full 2/3 of American adults are either overweight or obese, with 1/3 being severely obese. These grim statistics aren't surprising when you consider the nutritional wasteland that is the typical snack food, loaded with sugar, salt, unhealthy fats, empty calories, and toxic additives. But here's the good news. You don't have to deprive yourself to get on a healthier snacking track completely. With some simple swaps and smart choices, you can still satisfy cravings in a nutritious and delicious way. Let's go through 29 popular but unhealthy snacks, along with much better-for-you alternatives that allow you to indulge without the guilt. Let us know what you think about these, and don't forget to like this video. Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. Number 1. Chips. Those greasy, salted chips may be crispy and delicious, but they're also loaded with empty calories, unhealthy fats, and blood pressure spiking sodium. Not exactly an ideal snack for your health. Instead of mindlessly munching on chips, go for air-popped popcorn, lightly seasoned with herbs, spices, or even just a little salt and pepper. You'll get that same crunchy, salty satisfaction without nearly as many calories or additives. Number 2. Candy. Candy definitely falls into the empty calorie camp, providing pretty much just sugar and maybe some artificial flavors or colors. That sugar rush may give you a quick boost, but it's followed by an inevitable crash that can leave you feeling sluggish, irritable, and craving more sugar. When you need something sweet, reach for nature's candy, fresh or frozen fruit. Fruits like grapes, berries, orange slices, and more provide natural sugars along with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber to help you feel satisfied for longer. Number 3. Cookies. Cookies seem to be a staple snack for many of us, but have you looked at what's in them lately? These baked goods are essentially just solid butter, white flour, and sugar, a recipe for weight gain and nutritional emptiness. Instead of buying those nutrient-void treats, make your own healthier cookies at home using better ingredients. Swap out white flour for whole wheat or oat flour. A little culinary creativity lets you indulge your cookie craving without all the junk. Number 4. Gummy candy. Gummy candy may be fat-free, but it's basically pure sugar in an easily overconsumable form. All that sugar leads to energy crashes, cravings, and potential weight issues down the road. If you want a chewy, fruity treat, opt for dried fruits like apricots, apple rings, mango, or even fruit leathers made just from pureed fruits. These will satisfy your sweet tooth while providing antioxidants, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Number 5 on our list of snacks, you and your kids should avoid even though they're tasty, is marshmallows. Even though they're soft and fluffy, traditional marshmallows are essentially just blobs of sugar that provide zero nutritional value. A snack like this just leads to blood sugar spikes and cavities. If you've got to have that marshmallow texture, make your own healthier variations at home. Try using egg whites with just a bit of honey or maple syrup for sweetness. Homemade marshmallows satisfy that spongy craving without being pure empty calories. Number 6. Granola. Don't be fooled. Most granola you buy at the store is really just candy disguised as a health food. Those clusters are loaded with unnecessary oils, refined sugars, and other not-so-great ingredients. For a truly nutritious granola, make your own homemade granola clusters with just rolled oats, your choice of nuts and seeds, a drizzle of honey or maple syrup, and bake until lightly toasted and fragrant. Add dried fruits after baking for an antioxidant boost. Number 7. Trail mix. While trail mix can provide some protein and healthy fats from nuts, most pre-made bags are packed with way too much salt, sugar, and oils to be considered a smart snack. Make your own customized trail mix by combining your favorite unsalted nuts and seeds with just a sprinkle of dried fruit and a few dark chocolate chunks or chips for antioxidants. This DIY blend lets you control exactly what goes in. Number 8. Yogurt. Yogurt can be an excellent snack for protein, calcium, and probiotics to aid digestion. But watch out for yogurts loaded with excessive sugars, artificial flavors, colors, and other junk. Stick to wholesome Greek yogurt made with just a few high-quality ingredients. Then, sweeten it yourself with a drizzle of honey or maple syrup and top with fresh or frozen berries for antioxidants and fiber. Number 9. Pizza bites. As delicious as they may taste, packaged pizza bites and rolls are usually made with highly processed ingredients, oils, and additives that provide zero nutritional value. If you need that savory pizza-like fix, scoop up some fresh salsa with baked whole wheat pita chips for a dose of vegetables, fiber, and whole grains. Way better than those greasy salt bomb pizza snacks. Number 10 on our list of snacks you and your kids should avoid even though they're tasty is popcorn. While plain popcorn can be a relatively healthy snack, many packaged varieties are doused in excessive salt, oils, and artificial flavors that negate any benefits. The simple solution? Air pop your own kernels at home and season with just a light coating of your favorite spices, herbs, or even just a spritz of olive oil and salt. You'll get all the satisfying crunch without a ton of junk. Number 11. Cereal bars. Most store-bought cereal bars are highly processed with ingredients like high fructose corn syrup, hydrogenated oils, and a bunch of additives that make them more candy than health food. Take an hour on a weekend to bake up a batch of homemade granola bars made from wholesome ingredients like oats, nuts, seeds, dried fruit, and just a touch of honey or maple syrup to bind it all together. Way more satisfying and nutritious. Number 12. Energy bars. While handy for fuel on the go, many commercial energy bars are really just dressed-up candy bars loaded with excess sugars, unhealthy fats, and fillers. Instead, make your own energy bites or bars by combining rolled oats with nut butter, honey, or maple syrup, seeds, dried fruit, coconut, or dark chocolate. You'll get steady energy from a blend of complex carbs, protein, and fiber. Number 13. Crackers. Let's be real, most crackers, even the multi-grain ones, are made from refined, nutrient-stripped grains and contain loads of sodium and preservatives. Go for crackers made from 100% whole grains and pair them with a scoop of all-natural nut butter for protein and healthy fats to keep you satisfied for hours. Number 14. Meat sticks. Packaged meat snack sticks are often loaded with sodium, preservatives, nitrites, and all sorts of other additives you really don't want to put into your body. Make your own healthier beef jerky at home using lean cuts of meat and just a few simple seasonings like salt, pepper, garlic, and smoked paprika. You can even try turkey or salmon jerky for a leaner protein punch. Number 15 on our list of snacks you and your kids should avoid even though they're tasty is jerky. Most beef jerky you find at the gas station is made from low-quality meat loaded with sodium, nitrites, MSG, and other unsavory ingredients. Make your own homemade jerky using lean turkey breast or beef with just spices and seasonings like garlic, black pepper, soy sauce, and liquid smoke. Not only is it much lower in sodium and preservatives, but it's also way more economical. Number 16. Frozen dinners. Those convenient frozen meals may seem like an easy option, but take a closer look at the nutrition labels. Many are shockingly high in sodium, saturated fats, preservatives, and other artificial ingredients. While it takes a bit more effort, prepping homemade meals with lean proteins, whole grains, and plenty of veggies, then portioning them out for the freezer, is so much better for your health. Plus, the flavors are vastly superior to those sad TV dinners. Before we continue with the video, take a quick moment to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to ring the bell for notifications so you never miss out on our latest updates. Plus, we've got some helpful resources in the description. Check them out and share your comments after you're done watching. Number 17. Canned soups. Most canned soups, even the healthy ones, are still very high in sodium and contain preservatives and other additives to give them a longer shelf life. Take an hour on a weekend to simmer up a big batch of homemade veggie-packed soup using low-sodium broths or stocks. Load it up with beans, lentils, whole grains, and plenty of fresh or frozen produce for maximum nutrition and flavor. Number 18. Nachos. Greasy, melty, neon orange chips covered in salty, processed cheese sauce? Sign us up for weight gain, heartburn, and potential diabetes. You know what? Never mind nachos. When you need that savory crunch with a spicy kick, go for baked sweet potato fries with a dollop of fresh salsa on the side. Satisfying, nutritious, and loaded with antioxidants and fiber. Number 19. Oreos. As delightfully delicious as those chocolate sandwich cookies may be, they're essentially just empty calories and sugar that will spike your blood sugar and leave you craving more. For that crispy, chocolatey fix, Opt for whole grain crackers paired with a smear of all-natural nut butter and a sprinkling of cocoa nibs or chopped dark chocolate. So much more satisfying. Number 20 on our list of snacks you and your kids should avoid even though they're tasty is frozen pizza. Let's be honest, those frozen pizzas are just discs of refined white flour, highly processed meats, excessive oil and salt, and not much in the way of real nutrients. Save the splurge for an occasional outing to your favorite local pizza joint. Instead, make your homemade pizza using whole wheat crusts topped with marinara, part-skim cheese, and loads of fresh, fiber-rich veggie toppings. Number 21. Ice cream. While rich and creamy, most premium ice creams are unfortunately also loaded with saturated fat, cholesterol, and tons of added sugars that can really pack on the pounds. When you need to scratch that ice cream itch, whip up a batch of ice cream instead, even without an ice cream maker. Just blend up frozen bananas with splashes of milk or yogurt, vanilla, and any extras like cocoa powder, nut butter, or fresh fruit. Number 22. Salty nuts. While nuts and seeds can make for a nutritious snack thanks to their fiber, protein, and healthy fats, many pre-packaged varieties pack in excessive sodium and oils. Buy raw, unsalted nuts and seeds in bulk to keep costs down. For optimum freshness and flavor, store them in the fridge or freezer and simply grab a handful whenever you need a nutritious dose of crunch. Number 23. Candy bars. Yes, candy bars may taste amazing while you're eating them, but they're essentially just candy disguised as an energy or protein bar. All that sugar leads to crashes and weight gain down the road. Make your own energy bites with staple ingredients like oats, nut butters, honey or maple syrup, coconut, flax or chia seeds, chocolate chunks, and dried fruit. So much more satisfying and packed with fiber, protein, and good fats. Number 24. Fruit snacks. Most fruit snacks or gummy candies are basically shaped, solidified sugar with little to no actual fruit or nutritional value to speak of. Not really the sweet treat you should be reaching for. Keep things simple by snacking on fresh berries, apple or orange slices, grapes or bananas for a naturally sweet dose of fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. Fruit leathers made from just pureed fruits also make for a chewy, portable option. Number 25 on our list of snacks you and your kids should avoid even though they're tasty is muffins. Even bran or healthy muffins from bakeries and cafes are usually made with refined white flour, loads of oil and sugar, and not much in the way of whole food ingredients. Instead, bake up a batch of wholesome banana muffins. These nutrient-dense muffins make for a much more nutritious and satisfying breakfast or snack than those sugar bomb bakery muffins masquerading as healthy. Number 26. Energy drinks. Most commercial energy drinks are basically cases of heart palpitations waiting to happen. They're loaded with excessive caffeine, artificial colors and sweeteners, and dubious energy blend ingredients. For a natural energy kick, blend up a nutritious smoothie with fruit, greens, milk or yogurt, nut butter, and maybe a spoonful of protein powder if you need an extra boost. Or make your own energizing beverage by mixing unsweetened green tea with lemon, honey, and a pinch of cayenne or ginger for some zing. Number 27. Soda. Those fizzy, syrupy sodas may look refreshing, but they're actually nothing more than liquid sugar that provides zero nutrients. All those empty calories and added sweeteners can lead to weight gain, insulin resistance, tooth decay, and other unfavorable health issues. For a healthier but still fizzy fix, opt for sparkling waters infused with fresh fruit slices like lemon, lime, orange, or cucumber. You'll get that satisfying carbonation and flavor without any of the sugar crashes. Unsweetened iced teas made with real brewed tea are another great option for hydration with a kick. Number 28. Fruit juice. While 100% fruit juices may seem like a virtuous choice, many popular juice brands are actually loaded with added sugars and lack the filling fiber found in whole fruits. Those sugary juices can lead to the same blood sugar spikes, energy dips, and cravings as sodas. Instead of drinking your fruit, make your own vitamin-rich juices by infusing plain or sparkling water with slices of fresh fruit like citrus, berries, melon, pineapple, or even herbs and veggies like mint, basil, and cucumber. You'll stay hydrated while getting a light, refreshing hint of natural fruit flavors without any added sugars. The last snack that you and your kids should avoid, even though it's tasty, is ramen. Those little styrofoam cups of ramen may be cheap and convenient, but they're also loaded with sodium, preservatives, and not much in the way of real nutrients beyond some refined carbs. Instead of salty ramen packets, make nutrient-dense noodle bowls with whole wheat or bean noodles, sautéed veggies like mushrooms, spinach, carrots, bell peppers, plus a protein like baked tofu or edamame. Finish with a flavorful garlic, ginger, soy sauce, and sesame oil broth. There's really no need to keep depriving yourself of snacks and treats. With some simple ingredient swaps and smarter snack selections, you can absolutely still satisfy your cravings. Ditch those empty-calorie snacks loaded with sugar, salt, and additives. Instead, get creative in the kitchen and experiment with wholesome ingredients that nourish your body. Once you make the switch to smarter snacking habits, you'll feel energized, manage your weight effortlessly, and improve your overall well-being. The path to healthier snacking is clear. So what will be the first swap you make from this list? Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description.